What's up, guys? So I'm out in the backyard. The winter has finally left, and this is the backyard before it's all green and vibrant. I'm gonna do a little spring cleaning up. That's the garden over this section. You can see the ducks and chickens over there. So I need to do a massive cleanup this spring and get everything organized. I want to make a bigger duck house, and I also want to expand the garden. So if you guys want to see the update throughout the gardening season, remember to drop a like and subscribe. I'll definitely be posting the progress of how everything's going. But I'm gonna go walk over to the garden and give a fast preview. Last year I had some corns growing back here. The strawberry, I didn't realize how much it would have took. I started growing it from there. Actually, I'm ahead in the garden to give a better view. Every time the snow cleared this season, I thought that was it for the winter and then the snow would fall again. But it looks like it's finally cleared up now. This is where I had my tomatoes. This is green onion, but it grows back every year. So I'm gonna have to do a massive cleanup throughout the garden. That was a whole sunflower. So let me get back here. Yeah, this was a strawberry plant that was over here. Came all the way in the back of the garden. And I have some garlic that I planted under here from the fall time, so I'll see how that goes throughout the summer. But if you want to see some of my gardening season this year, remember to hit the like button and the subscribe to stay updated to see what I'm up to this season. But this is the garden, and I plan on hopefully putting a greenhouse on this side this year, but it's gonna be a lot of cleaning up to do. But until next time, guys, take care.